So a matrix is a rectangular array of numbers, and there are various operations on the matrices like addition, subtraction, multiplication, not division, and multiplication is basically scalar multiplication and matrix multiplication both. Now, if you add two matrices, or if you want to subtract two matrices, then the order of the matrices should be same. Now, the question is, what is the order of a matrix? Now, order of a matrix is actually number of rows by number of columns. Okay. So, number of rows by number of columns, that is known as the order of a matrix. And you can add two matrices or subtract for that matter only when the order of two matrices is same. Now, if you have two matrices, let's say 1, 3, 2, minus 1, 0, 1, and you want to add this matrix with another matrix, then it has to be of order 2 by 3. So, for addition or for that matter subtraction also, other matrix should also be of the same order. So, let's take another matrix, let's say 0, negative 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now, you can see that the order of the second matrix is also 2 by 3. It's having 2 rows and 3 columns. And therefore, we can add these two matrices number by position by position, number by number. So, first is A11, this is B11. So, 1 plus 0 is 1, 3 plus minus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, minus 1 plus 1 is 0, 0 plus 2 is 2, and 1 plus 3 is 4. So, that's the addition of two matrices, and the resulting matrix will also be of the same order 2 by 3. Now, let's come to the second operation, which is scalar multiplication. As I said, that there are two types of multiplication. One is multiplication by a scalar, and another is multiplication of a matrix by another matrix. Now, if you multiply same matrix by 2, for example, so if this matrix I suppose is, let's say A, then what will be my new matrix 2A? Now, 2A, which is a scalar multiplication, means I have to multiply each element by this number. So, it will become 2, 6, 4, negative 2, 0, 2. That's a scalar multiplication of a scalar by a matrix. Now, another operation which is very important is a matrix multiplication. If I have two matrices which I have to multiply, now here if I have to multiply matrix A with matrix B, now the number of columns in A should be equal to number of rows in B, then only you can multiply a matrix A by B. That is to say, if I have a matrix A which is of order, let's say 1, 0, 3, 2, 1, 5, order of this matrix, as I said earlier also, is 2 by 3. Now, if I want to multiply this matrix by another matrix, the second matrix should be of order 3 by something. That is, there should be 3 rows, then only I can multiply this matrix. So, let's take B to be, let's say 1, 2, 2, 1, 0, 3. So, this matrix is 3 by, let's say 2. Right. Now, the resulting matrix, that is after multiplication of these two matrices, will be of order 2 by 2. That is, you eliminate this 3 and you will get a matrix 2 by 2. How to multiply these two matrices? That you take first column of B, okay, and then multiply by first row of A. Add all the numbers, that will be your new matrix C, first number, let's say C11. So, if I take this column and multiply by this, it will be 1 into 1, that is 1, plus 2 into 0, that is 0, and 3 into 0 is 3, 0. So, that will be 1. Same column, I will be multiplying by this, so it will become 2 plus 2, and that will be 4. And then that's first operation. Now, you take second column of B, multiply by the first row, same operation, it will become 2 plus 9, that is 11, and then take the same column, multiply by the second row, that will become 4 plus 1, that is 5, plus 15, that is 20. So this is the matrix C, which is basically a product of A and B.